for ant, it's so small. B for bear, big and tall. C for camel, in the sand. D for deer, runs so grand. A, B, C, come sing with me. Let's learn animals from A to Z. A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals are fun, you'll agree. E for eagle, soars the sky. F for frog, jumps so high. G for goat, gives us milk. H for hedgehog, spines like silk. A, B, C, come sing with me. Let's learn animals from A to Z. A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals are fun, you'll agree. E for iguana, green and slow. J for jaguar, watch it go. K for koala, loves to nap. L for lizard, on your lap. M for mouse, squeak and run. N for narwhal, loves the sun. O for octopus, with arms 8. P for parrot, colors so great. A, B, C, come sing with me. Let's learn animals from A to Z. A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals are fun, you'll agree. Q for quokka, cute and sweet. R for rhino, stomps its feet. S for swan, swims so fast. T for turtle, slow to last. U for unicorn fish, shiny and bright. V for viper, hidden from sight. W for wolf, howling away. X for xerus, at play. Y for yak, with fur so thick. Z for zebra, quick as a flick. Now we know our animal ABCs. Learning is fun as can be.
Keep learning with Samina Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe.